Your old sprinkler timer is probably a beige plastic eyesore that has been stuck on the same schedule for years. It is a relic of a different era. You probably only touch it when the seasons change or if you notice a brown patch on the grass. Even then, you have to stand in the garage and fiddle with a confusing dial. It is a frustrating and outdated way to manage a landscape. That is why the move towards smart irrigation is such a massive shift for homeowners. We are looking at a professional-grade outdoor controller that finally brings some intelligence to the backyard. This specific unit is designed to replace those classic modular systems that many of us already have on our walls. The company behind it is a legend in the irrigation world. They did not just slap a screen on a cheap box. This controller feels substantial. It is housed in a rugged, weather-resistant cabinet. It is built to take a beating from the elements. The setup process is actually one of its strongest selling points. If you are upgrading from an older version of their classic hardware, the holes in your wall will likely line up perfectly. You do not need to be a professional electrician to handle the swap. You just take a photo of your existing wires for reference. Then you disconnect the old unit and mount the new one. The wiring terminals are easy to access. You just slide the wires in and tighten them down. It is a very satisfying project for a Saturday morning. Once it is powered up, the real fun begins with the smart software. This system connects directly to your local weather data. It does not just run on a timer. It watches the forecast. If a big storm is rolling in, it cancels the scheduled watering. If your area is hitting a heat wave, it might add a few extra minutes to keep things green. This is not just some fancy gimmick. It actually prevents you from pouring money down the drain during a rainstorm. You can manage the entire thing from an app on your phone. You can be at work or even on the other side of the country and still check on your zones. That level of control is a total game changer. Of course, no piece of technology is without its quirks. Some users have mentioned that the touchscreen can be a little temperamental. It might take a firm press to get a response. Others have had some trouble getting the wireless connection to stay consistent if the controller is mounted far away from the router. You might need a range extender if your garage is a dead zone. There have also been comments about the unit feeling hot to the touch. The internal transformer works hard and that creates some warmth. Most people find it is well within the normal operating range, but it is something to notice. One of the smartest things about the hardware is the modular expansion. You can start with a basic 4-zone setup. If you decide to add more landscaping later, you do not have to throw the whole thing away. You just plug in a new module to add more zones. It is a system designed to last. It feels like professional equipment rather than a disposable gadget. If you are still using a manual timer, you are living in the dark ages of lawn care. Moving to a smart system saves time and water. It gives you peace of mind. Your lawn gets exactly what it needs, and nothing more. It is a solid investment for anyone who takes pride in their curb appeal. This is the upgrade your yard deserves. No more wasting water, no more guessing. Just a green lawn and a lower bill. It is time to bring your garden into the modern age.